Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to install Ubuntu on Mac operating system using a virtual machine. This method is safe, free and perfect if you want to learn Linux, do programming or just experimenting without crashing your Mac. I'll explain everything slowly and clearly so beginners can follow along. Please be with me. So there are three tools that we need to have in order to be able to run Linux in our host system. Firstly, virtual machine. And in this case, I'm recommending UTM as a virtual machine. Now, for those of you who don't know what a virtual machine is, a virtual machine is like a computer inside your computer. It allows you to run another operating systems like Ubuntu while Mac OS is still running. So nothing on your Mac gets deleted or replaced or crashed. And I'm recommending UTM, which is a free virtual machine app, and it is made specifically for Mac OS, and it works great on both Intel Mac. So if you have like old computers, then it is good for that also. And also it works on Apple Silicon Macs like M1, M2, and M3 chips. And the reason why I recommend UTM is because it is simple, reliable, and beginner friendly. The second tool you need is Ubuntu Desktop ISO, which I'm going to explain how to install that. And the third tool is a proper internet connection. That's all. So now we do have our proper internet connection. Let's just go ahead and download the remaining tools. Firstly, open up your browser and search for UTM for Mac. Open the official website of UTM Virtual Machine, and after opening, you don't have to browse too much. It is super user friendly. You just click on download, it will start downloading, and then right after that open a new tab and search for Ubuntu for Mac, or just Ubuntu desktop download. Just search for it and you'll see two options, Ubuntu LTS and Ubuntu. You have to download this one because it has a long-term support, which could be up to 5 years, or with Pro you could go all the way up to 15 years. Just click on download and wait for both of them to be completed. On this page you don't have to do anything, it will automatically start downloading, so you don't have to put any information here, and just wait for the download to be completed. So now we do have both of our tools downloaded, and you just have to go ahead and install it. Firstly, we just go ahead and install UTM, and right after it is the installation port is completed, just go ahead and open it. You will see options here. Just click on create a new virtual machine, and you'll see two options here in this window, in the start window, virtualize and emulate. Just click on virtualize, and we're opting for Linux operating system, so just click on Linux and just give it 8 GB of memory, because that is going to be enough for your Linux to be running. And just click on continue. You will see a couple of options here, but you just have to click boot from ISO image and click on browse. And after clicking on browse, you will see Ubuntu ISO. Just go ahead and upload it here, and then just click on continue. For the storage port, I'm giving it 64 GB, but if you want to have it faster, you could give it more, or if you have lesser space, you could assign lesser storage for it, but 64 GB is enough for me. Then just click on continue. Again, just click on continue, and here you will see summary. You don't have to do anything here, you just click on save, and that's it. As you could see, our Linux is being started, and right after that we'll just go ahead and start the installation part of the Linux in our virtual machine. Just click here, and this new window will appear. You will see options here. Just click on try to install Ubuntu. It will take a couple of minutes for this to get installed. Now the best part is that you do not have to do anything, you just wait for this to be completed. So right now we are almost done installing our Ubuntu and our UTM and in our system. On this window that you see over here, this is the configuration page where you could select your language, your keyboard, and all those stuff. But most of the options you see over here, you could just choose them by default without doing anything. The very first option we have here is choose your language. English by default is okay for me. If you want to change anything, you could just go ahead and select any other language, and then just click on next. Again, if you want to select any one of these options, you could go ahead and select, but I'm clicking on next. For the keyboard layout, English United States is okay for me, but if you want to change any to any other language, you could just go ahead and select that. I'm again clicking on next. Any updates, I'm skipping this part. Install Ubuntu or try Ubuntu. We are installing Ubuntu, so just click on. And here, how do you want to install Ubuntu? So you'll see three options here, but the very first option, install Ubuntu alongside Ubuntu 24.4.3 LTS, that will be okay for us. Just click on next. Here also don't do anything, just click on next. And here you could just create your account by putting your name, your computer's name. Once you're putting your name, your computer name will be selected by default, and then username, password, and everything. So I'm just going ahead and doing that. Again, clicking on next, and you could select your time zone and location. You could change accordingly as per your location, but I'm just selecting India. Just click on next. You will see a summary of the information. You don't have to do anything over here, just click on install, and it will take a couple of minutes, might be 15 to 20 minutes, completely depend on your machine for this process to be completed. For that, you just have to be patient and wait for it. Don't do anything, just wait. Alright, so that's it. Ubuntu is now running on your Mac. You can now explore Linux, learn programming, or use it for development. And all you'll have to do is just restart now, and after logging again, you will be able to use this Linux system, and it is all done.